In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually copy and paste notes from your NotebookLM notebook. Whether you're organizing your study materials, working on a project, or just backing up your content, knowing how to efficiently copy and paste your notes into another document is a handy skill. Let's dive in step by step so you can master this process in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening your NotebookLM notebook. If you're using an application or web version, make sure you're logged in and can see all your notebooks. Once you've accessed the right one, it's time to locate the specific note you intend to export. Take a moment to ensure it's the correct version and has all the updated information you need before proceeding. Now that you've found your desired note, you'll want to select the text. This can typically be done by clicking at the beginning of the text and dragging your mouse over the entire section you want to copy. Be sure not to leave out any important parts that you might need in your new document. With the text selected, right-click on the highlighted section. This should bring up a context menu with several options. From here, you'll want to click on Copy. Alternatively, if you're comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on a PC or CMD+C on a Mac to copy the selected text. Next, open up your preferred word processor or text editor. You might use Google Docs or Microsoft Word if you want your notes in a document format, or something simpler like Notepad if you're only capturing plain text. Once you have your program open, click into the blank document where you want to paste your notes. To paste the text, simply right-click inside the document and select Paste from the menu. Again, you could also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on a PC or CMD+V on a Mac. And just like that, your notes are now in your new document. The final step is to save or print the document, depending on your needs. If you're preserving the notes for future reference, go ahead and save the document. Choose a file name that's descriptive enough for easy retrieval later, and choose a location on your computer or cloud storage that's convenient for you. If you need a hard copy, simply use the print function from your word processor and follow the prompts to choose your printer and preferred settings. And there you have it. You've successfully copied your notes from NotebookLM and pasted them into another document, ready for whatever you need them for. Whether it's for sharing with a colleague, organizing your information, or keeping a backup, this straightforward method keeps you prepared and organized. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope you found this guide useful. Happy note-taking!